Hello, the Zambi here, and today we're going to be making this origami cat that's been designed by me. So, basically, it's just, whatchamacallit, I wouldn't say it's easy, let's say it's intermediate because of, some of the folds that, you have to do. So, we'll get started now. Check out one of my other videos on how to make a paper square, if you don't know how to already make one, out of printer paper. So, now, what you do now is you go along that crease you've already made from making the square, or if you have regular origami paper, just make a line through the middle this way, and basically just making an X through it, the paper with the creases. So I'm trying to get it as even as possible. Alright, now we have that. Make nice creases. And then fold in this way. Or no, fold in this way. Because if you want to make it a bit more stiff in the middle so it doesn't move around like my prototype did, like this, you want to make this crease right here a little bit less, like a little bit, not as, like, we don't use your fingernail on it, basically. So now, just put it both sides, and then fold it in like this, like you would with an airplane. Alright, now that we have that, what you want to do is you want to flip it over. Now you want to fold it like this, flip it back over again. Now this is where it gets kind of tricky. You want to do a squash fold. Now if you're a complete beginner, this is kind of tricky, but if you know what you're doing, kind of at least, this will can be kind of easy. So you want to do a squash fold like this. Make sure everything's lined up and straight. And then you fold it down. Alright. And another squash fold right here on the thing, little flap you just made. And in order to get it completely straight, what you want to do is you want to flat right here at the tip right here, and then you want to fold it like this, like a book, and then try to line it up the best you can with the creases. Alright. Both ways. There we go. And then like this. It can be a bit easier if you do it this way. Like if you just make the fold there and then push it down. That is much easier, I just realized. So, and fold it back this way. Alright. Do the same thing. Make sure this line right here, like this line right here, lines up with the line right here. And then it should be completely straight. And just move it around a bit. So now, now that we have that, flip it over, or actually, just open up this like this, and open it up, and then pinch this until like you get like the flap sticking up, and then flatten everything down except for this little flap right here. So everything straightened out. But then before you actually do the crease, I'm going to tell you something. There is a spot that if I can see the crease. Alright. And you'll see a crease right here. Right about right here. And you want to fold up to it, but not past it. Alright. Same thing as over here. For over here, I mean. So then we have that. Now then. Fold this like... Okay, now flip it over. Well, first you want to make sure all the edges are in, like this, and then fold this, like a mountain fold. But make sure it's nice and neat. Alright. Now fold it up like this. So basically you just have it like, once it's like this, once this flap is up, and then you fold it in like this, and you should have like a little pocket right here. And then flatten it a bit. Now then, fold this one backward, and then this is where it gets kind of tricky as well. On this crease right here, fold it this way. And remember, you're going to be doing a squash fold here. So fold it down this way, and then you do this, open it up, and you squash fold it this way. I don't know if you got that. There is another ears that I can show you how to do that a bit more better. Alright, now again, fold this down. Alright, and then put your finger in here and push down, and make sure it's only on the creases that are already there, except for there is one crease that's not here that you're making right now. So make sure the crease right here, make sure it goes along that one. So then, once you get that, and flatten it, I will show you what it looks like unfolded here in a second, so you know where the creases go. If you, so you can look at it and so you know exactly where all the creases go. Now this is almost done. All you have to do is fold down the little nose about to the center, but not completely, so it looks right. And then there, here's your paper cat. Flatten it out, and there you go. And if you want to make it to where it doesn't have a sharp chin, you can just simply fold it back a bit, right here, and then unfold it, and do another squash fold on both sides. Alright. Alright, and same thing like this. So make sure it looks nice and neat, or else it'll end up looking weird. And there you have it, your kitty cat. And you can even decorate it if you want. I haven't done that yet, but if you would like to decorate yours, that'd be fine. Just remember, this was designed by me, so if you'd like to have this on your website, your YouTube channel, or whatever, make sure to drop a comment first, and then ask me if you can do it, and leave a link to this video, as well to my channel. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and that's it. See ya.